how do you actually define God? And second part of the question would be, can you actually define God?
Yeah, absolutely. If you have the word God in dictionary, you can define it, right? So the word God can be defined, which means the one that's called upon, which means people pray to or called upon. But every person has its own definition. Speaking in philosophy, rabbis like Maimonides or other philosophers, religious philosophies, say you can't define God. The way you understand God is by negation, by saying everything that God isn't. I think the philosophy might be prominent in Islam too. You have to say what God isn't to arrive at God. Many philosophies believe in that. To philosophers like Spinoza, Aristotle, yes, God can be defined. Existence is the nature of God. To give an answer that's combination of both, what we can see to the extent that human can see, God can be defined and can be loved. But to the extent that we can see, because we can only define this room as much as we see it, but the parts that we don't see it, we can't define it. So we obviously can't define the entirety of God, but the parts of God that we see, i.e. reality, i.e. how God lives in nature, oneness of nature, yes, that we can define and we can even love.